Eat the proteins and chew them with your mouth. Saliva is released with amylase and mucus. The bolus goes to the back of the throat and we swallow it. The esophagus takes the bolus to the stomach through peristalsis. When the food reaches the stomach, gastrin is released. Gastrin causes the release of gastric juices, HCl, mucus, and pepsinogen. HCl kills the bacteria in the food and creates a pH of 2.5. HCl also activates the pepsinogen and turns it into the active form pepsin. Pepsin digests proteins into smaller polypeptides. Stomach mixes the food all around. The acid chyme is slowly released into the duodenum through the pyloric sphincter. When the proteins reach the duodenum, two hormones are released. When the protein reaches the duodenum, two hormones are released. Secretin causes the release of pancreatic juices. CCK causes the release of bile from the gallbladder and an additional release to the pancreatic juices. Sodium bicarbonate neutralizes the pH to 8.5, so all the enzymes can work at their optimum pH. Trypsin digests the small polypeptides into di and tripeptides. The di and tripeptides move further down into the small intestine. The glands in the small intestine release intestinal juices, peptidases, nucleases, maltase, sucrase, lactase. The peptidases digest the di and tripeptides into amino acids. The amino acids move into the capillaries of the villi. The capillaries are attached to the hepatic portal vein, which takes the amino acids to the liver. The liver may turn the amino acids into glucose if the body needs energy. Otherwise, the liver sends the amino acids to the heart, where they are pumped to the body cells. The body cells use proteins for building new cells to grow and repair them. The ingestible wastes continue to the large intestines, where the water is reabsorbed and the feces are released from the body when the anal sphincter relaxes. You eat the nucleic acids and chew them with your mouth. Saliva is released with the salivary amylase and mucus. The bolus goes to the back of the throat and we swallow it. The esophagus takes the bolus to the stomach through peristalsis. When food reaches the stomach, gastrin is released. Gastrin causes the release of gastric juices, HCl, mucus, pepsinogen. HCl kills the bacteria in the food and creates a pH of 2.5. The stomach mixes the food around. The acid chyme is slowly released into the duodenum through the pyloric sphincter. When the nucleic acids reach the duodenum, secretin is released. Sodium bicarbonate neutralizes the pH to 8.5, so all the enzymes can work at their optimum pH. Nucleases digest the nucleic acids into nucleotides. The nucleotides move further down into the small intestine. The glands in the small intestine release the intestinal juices. The nucleases further digest the nucleic acids into nucleotides. The nucleotides move into the capillaries of the villi. The capillaries are attached to the hepatic portal vein, which takes the nucleotides to the liver. The liver will send the nucleotides to the heart, where they are pumped to the body cells. The body cells use nucleotides to make DNA during DNA replication and RNA during transcription. The ingestible wastes continue to the large intestines, where water is reabsorbed and the feces are released from the body when the anal sphincter relaxes.